Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into SUI Group Holdings Limited's latest filing. And let's just say they're looking to shake things up with a massive increase in their authorized shares. Buckle up, because this could mean big things for investors. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, if you like getting clear, no jargon explanations of what companies are really up to, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And hey, we've got a great community over on Discord where we break down these filings even further. The link is in the description below, so come join us. Alright, let's break down what SUI Group Holdings Limited has recently filed. This is a current report, which means they're sharing significant events as they happen, and this one definitely contains a few. The earliest event reported here is from the 15th of September 2025. This is the date of their annual shareholder meeting where some crucial proposals were put to a vote. The company itself is SUI Group Holdings Limited, incorporated in Minnesota. You might recognize their stock ticker SUIG, trading on the NASDAQ stock market LLC. Now, let's get to the heart of what happened at that meeting. First up, shareholders had to vote on electing 5 members to the company. Board of Directors, looking at the results, it was a landslide victory for all 5 nominees. For instance, Marius Barnett received a massive 444,85689 votes in favour, with virtually no opposition. Other directors like Joseph A. Gerasi, Dorit Thi, Howard P. List, Douglas M. Polinsky and Dana Wagner also saw overwhelming approval, with only minor abstentions and a very small number of broker non. Votes which basically mean shares where the broker holding them did not receive instructions from the beneficial owner on how to vote. This strong approval shows that the current leadership has the confidence of the shareholders. But here is where things get really interesting. The shareholders also approved a massive change to the company's charter. They voted to increase the total number of authorized shares of capital stock from about 111 million to a staggering 2 billion. That is a nearly 18-fold increase. Why would a company quadruple its authorized shares? Usually, it is to give themselves flexibility for future growth, like making acquisitions, raising capital through selling stock, or perhaps even splitting their stock. This kind of move signals a company that is planning for significant expansion or major financial transactions in the near future. The voting numbers here, with over 44 million votes in favour and a very small opposition, show strong shareholder backing for this ambitious plan. Following that, there was a vote to approve the issuance of common stock related to management warrants. Warrants are essentially options that allow certain individuals, often management, to buy company stock at a set price. The strong vote in favour of this proposal, with almost no opposition, suggests that the company is rewarding its management team, and that these warrants are seen as a positive step for aligning management interests with shareholder value. And finally, the shareholders approved the issuance of common stock under a significant equity facility. This particular proposal relates to a potential $500 million facility, but with a crucial caveat: it's specifically for situations where more than 20% of the company's outstanding stock could be issued. This is a huge amount, and the approval shows the shareholders are empowering the company to potentially raise substantial capital if needed, also through issuing stock. It is a clear signal that the company is positioning itself for major growth initiatives or strategic maneuvers that might require significant funding. The overwhelming approval, with 44,556,103 votes for and only 15,392 against, shows strong shareholder confidence in management. Ability to execute on these growth plans. The report is signed by Douglas M. Polinsky, the Chief Executive Officer, on the 19th of September 2025, indicating the company is officially acknowledging these shareholder votes and decisions. This signature from the CEO himself adds the official stamp of approval from the company's top leader. Now, looking at all of this together, what is the story here? SUI Group Holdings Limited is clearly on a path that involves substantial future fundraising and potential stock issuance. The near unanimous approval for all these proposals, especially the massive increase in authorized shares and the equity facility, indicates a strong alignment between the company's management and its shareholders. They're not just planning for incremental growth, they're setting the stage for something much bigger. The key for investors will be to watch how this newly authorized capital and flexibility is deployed. Is it for accretive acquisitions, expansion into new markets, or research and development that will drive future value? While the report itself doesn't detail specific plans, the sheer scale of the approved measures suggests ambitious growth targets. The risks here lie in the execution. These strategies can backfire if not managed effectively, potentially diluting existing shareholder value if too many new shares are issued without a corresponding increase in company earnings or value. However, the strong shareholder support suggests a level of trust in the current leadership to navigate these waters wisely. It's a bold move, and one that certainly makes SUI Group Holdings Limited a company to watch closely in the coming months and years. Alright, that is our deep dive into the SUI Group, Holdings Limited filing. What are your thoughts on their massive share authorization and future plans? Do you see it as a sign of strength or a potential red flag? Let me know your opinions in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. And if you have not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button for more insights like this. And remember, our Discord community is linked in the description, where we continue these discussions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.